Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert back from a business account to a personal account on Pinterest. So what you want to do is just simple go to the upper right hand side. You'll have a little drop down arrow here, or you can simply click your profile. Once you click your profile, you want to go to edit profile. And here you want to go to the account management on the left side. And here you'll see the option to convert. It says convert to a personal account. So this is what you have to do. Click and convert, then go ahead and click and convert account again. And within a couple of seconds, you'll realize that your settings will be reverted and you are now back into personal account on Pinterest. So if you click the upper right hand side, you'd see that you're now on your personal account. And if you click the little drop down on the upper right as well, you see that it gives you the option to convert back to business. So you can see from your account details as well, right below your account name, that it's on a personal account. And that's it.